Hi everyone, Mrs. French Fry here. I just want to show you a quick preview of topic 4.1 before you get started on your work today. So, we will be revisiting some of the things that we've done previously. So, for example, we talked about the base powers of 10, where if we had 10 to the first, we knew that that just meant 10. Or if we had 10 to the second, that meant 100, and we just annexed a 0. We knew that this number 2 indicated that we had 2 zeros and we had 100. Okay, similarly, if we continue 10 to the third, we will need to annex 3 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and I know that I have 1,000. Okay, so let's kick it up a notch. When we had a problem that looked something like this, 40 times 10 to the third, we knew that could also mean 40 times 10 with annexing 3 zeros, okay? And we also knew that could equal 40, and then we need to annex 1, 2, 3 zeros. Easy stuff, right? We've all done this before in topic 3. But now in topic 4, we're going to look at this with decimals. So let's say, for example, I have 3 8/100 times 10 to the second, or we know that this is the same as 3 8/100 times 100, and I've annexed my 2 zeros. So what do we think I'm going to need to do? Well, let me give you a quick reminder about the teaser I gave you over the weekend. To the right, to the right, to the right. All right. What could I be moving to the right? Well, maybe it's my decimal point. And because we're doing 10 to the second, we need to move the decimal point to the right, not just 1, but 2 times, 1, 2, and now my decimal point is here. So if my decimal point isn't here, but now it's here, what does that mean? I just have 308 is my answer. Now let's get a little trickier. What if I have 4 5/10 times 10 to the third? Well, what do I need to do now? I circled my exponent so I knew how many zeros I needed to annex, or how many times I needed to move my decimal point. So if in this example, when we had 10 to the second, we moved our decimal point not 1 but 2 times, what do you think we need to do if we move our decimal point? You got it, 3 times. So I'll write my number here. And I need to move my decimal point, which was here before, now 1, 2, 3 times. But now I don't have any numbers here. What do I need to do? I need to annex zeros, and I end up with 4,500. Now you're going to practice this skill on your own today and see how well you do. And then we'll revisit the topic when we get back on Wednesday after our meeting. Good luck and have fun.